another episode of Shiori Unboxing. Today, we are going to be unboxing some Licca-chan roller skates and a Licca-chan scooter. Before we start this unboxing, I got this package from Amazon Japan. If you want stuff that's cheap and from Japan, then just go over to Amazon Japan. This video is not sponsored by them, but anyways, bring in the package! Now stay there! Oh, hey guys! I'm just gonna go now. Bye! See you guys later! I always have fun, Shiori! Anyways, as always, I'm going to let my friend, the Hands, take over for now. Anyways, Hands, get to work. Extra accessory, but that's okay. Anyways, I'm going to call in our model to come in and model these accessories for us. So anyways, oh model! Finally here. Oh hey guys! I knew I'd see you guys in another part of this video. Oh hey, I was the one who delivered your package. Did it come through? Wait a second. Now you work a modeling job? Yep. Apparently delivering packages and grooming the dogs doesn't make the bills. So now I model stuff in order to get some extra cash to pay the bills. Oh my god, what type of apartments do you live in? I don't really know. Anyways, I'm just gonna go do my job. You know what I mean? Yeah. Just go do your job. Okay. Anyways, the first product that our model is going to be modeling is the roller skates. Anyways, as you can see here, these blue roller skates are really cool. I like them a lot. They skate around. They have tiny little wheels that make it move, and they're really cool. They have these miniature little buckles that you can see on them. They don't really do anything, but I like how they added detail. Anyways, next. The next item our model is going to be modeling is the extra item, which is the sparkly stick. As you can see here with the sparkly stick, it moves around and I like it a lot, and also it has this thing that keeps it on and I like that. Anyways, next please. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, our model is going to be modeling the scooter. As you can see with the scooter is really nice. I like it a lot. It's very cute. The doll hangs on really good on the handles. It moves around nice and smoothly. And it can fold up when playtime is over and you're ready to go. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and yeah, that's it. Thank you.